All right, this is one of our newest projects for water sustainability. We've brought in 4 IBC totes and put them onto a platform out here. And what my husband has done has rigged up a system to allow the water to come off the roof line, fill into the first IBC tote, and as that water comes down, it dispenses and auto fills every one of these at the same time. So when that water comes in, it flows and it starts to fill up all of them at the same time. Each one has their own separate valve system. So if I only wanted to pull water out of here, I could. If I only wanted to pull water out of there, and so forth. What we have done here is we've now created 2 separate systems. One, I can now come in here and I have a water hose, and I have this, and I can actually water like normal watering here, directly from our water hose from all this water that we've captured. The other thing here, as you can see, our secondary will be these PVC pipes, which will come off of here, come down, and they will have their own piping system to do slow drip. So those pipes will be able to go down each lane. You can turn that on slow drip, and it will dribble the water down the swim lanes. So 2 different ways to watering the system, but with no dig, you really do not need a whole lot of water. We were gone for vacation for a week. We had no rain. You came out here, the top is dry, you pulled it back, it's still wet as can be. So this is, I know you can tell from a differentiation in the ground here, but this is about 6 inches of between straw, compost, and wood chips. You know, this is it's like a flexible, it's mushy, so but it doesn't move anywhere. The wood chips keep everything from having any erosion. So this is no dig, and we could talk about that more on another time on how we got here and how we got to lasagna planting. I'll say there's lasagna layers that create up this no dig garden, but this is our first year, and as you can see, a lot of time, but for having where we are right now, we're already getting a huge reward.